How to find the number of subsets in a given set. Set A is said to be a subset of B written in the following: if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. Let us have some illustrative example. Given set A containing the elements 1, 4, and 3, find the number of subsets and list them down. To find the number of subsets, we use the formula 2 to the power of n, where n refers to the number of elements in a given set. So in our example, how many elements are there? That is right, there are 3 elements. We have the element 1, 4, and 3. Substituting the number of elements to our formula, we have 2 to the power of n, and n here is 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. We multiply 2 3 times. Therefore, there are 8 subsets. We are done with the identification of the number of subsets. Now let's identify the subsets itself and try to list all of them. First, we start with this symbol, empty set or null set. Just remember that an empty set is a subset of any set. Now let's proceed with the subset containing one element. So we have the element 1, subset containing 4, and the subset containing 3. So now let's proceed to another subset containing 2 elements. Okay, we have 1, 4. What's next? That's right, it's 1, 3, and we have 4, 3. So let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We already have 7 subsets, and since there are 8 subsets, the last subset is the set itself. So we already have 8 subsets. As a hint in listing the subsets, start with the empty set, because the empty set is a subset of any set, and the last subset is the set itself. So you just have to find the subsets in between these two. Let's proceed with our second example. Given set A containing the elements math, find the number of subsets and list all of them. So using our formula 2 to the power of n, there are 4 elements. We have the element m, a, t, and h. We substitute 4 to n. 2 to the power of 4 simply means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is why there are 16 subsets. Okay, so now let's try to list them down. Again, start with the empty set. Next, list the subset containing one element. We have the subset containing m, a, t, and h. Okay, so now let's move on to the subset containing 2 elements. So we have ma, mt, mh. We also have at, ah, and th. Now let's try to list subsets containing 3 elements. So we have mat, mah, mth. Let's try to count how many subsets have we listed so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are still 2 lacking subsets. We have the subset containing ATH. This is our 15th subset. And finally, our last subset is the set itself containing the elements M, A, T, H. Do you have questions? Okay, great. So just remember that an MC set is a subset of any set, and the set itself is also a subset of that particular set. And then you start with a subset containing one element, and then two elements, three elements, and so on, depending on the number of elements in a given set. Now for our question of the day, what is this symbol called? A. Universal set. B. Null set. C. Subset. Or D. Complement of a set. Post your answer in the comment section and get a chance to win 15 pesos regular load. Do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the day.